can see the to subscribe that thing happen. Getting a two messages. That means the two thing is subscribing. So we need to find which two things get fired while subscribing. Page of control. We have hi. So this Kumar Shanmugam. So I am developing application, IoT interface application which have the capability to connect with IoT devices. Mainly, I focusing on developing this for this, microcontrollers which have the capability to connect with the internet, and it's basically like you are a hobbyist in learning IoT, and you need interface for your devices to control and software level. What the audio? I didn't hear any audio. Did my sound very low or anything else? I didn't even play anything. If you could explain me more clearly what the problem is, I will figure it out. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, you are on point, right? So ESP32 and the STM32, which have the capabilities to, Arduino and stuff and all, which have the capability to connect with the IoT devices. That's the only thing which I am focusing on. Okay, nice, nice. So I initially the setup will take time to, my OBS has a delay for problem because of my internet. I can't able to increase or lower this. Oh, nice. And I was so welcome. I love to learn a lot of things with you. And yeah, you are embedded engineer, right? So also you may aware of this IoT stuff. Yeah, obviously can do it because you are embedded and it's just a few step away. So when you comes to embedded, you can see that you need to use an applications to control it, right? You need something, some sort of way to control it via softwares. So that software which I building right now. So for now I created you know little few features, base feature of this core application, which I'm currently focusing on developing a core application. Then I will, it's in open source, and also I am giving the open source things to do a lot of things like creating a letting people to do develop this. But before that I need to have a base of this software, right? So first feature is this QR code device onboarding stuff, which means if you have the Bluetooth opportunity for your embedded device Bluetooth system, and what you can do is you can have a Bluetooth information of these devices in the QR code, and if you scan it, that are offline or mobile, if you scan it using mobile and web, it will connect it to this device and share your Wi-Fi Wi-Fi password and name to connect it to internet. As well as why I integrated this feature is I feel if I hard coded the Wi-Fi credential, I can't able to take this device and go to other place and do things, right? Because it's hard coded to my home network Wi-Fi password. I'll do, for example, I will connect to my ESP. Okay. Yeah, basically, I will show to you. If you connect to ESP, I am using MicroPython and Thani for a Raspberry Pi because of easy prototyping and faster of MicroPython. MicroPython is not actually fast. I mean, to develop things is faster compared to C++ and stuff. Did I run this right? So if after this connected to the Wi-Fi, this device will post it is online right now, right? Now you can know this device went online. Then what you can do is I have the button over here which publish what is the device name which went offline online. Forgot the device ID or name. Okay, it's device 65. Okay, 342. Yeah. Now you can see if I turned on this, it's not powering. Yeah, it's happening. Small LED will blink up, right? It's directly we are connecting this device to my server which is in my home right now, but we can able to host it anywhere, and it going speaks towards that, and my web also connected into the server and it talking and speaking. Likewise, I have a slider for the brightness, but I can't able to do it right now because I didn't integrated any of the LEDs to actually show these things. And another one thing which I did is getting the real-time data in this terminal like of way, because if I send, I will going to send this data. If you are having any temperature data you want to see, you can do it this way. But my actual way now I getting this problem. I'm getting two messages at the same time, so that's why I'm fixing it right now. So this kind of way, and same way the brightness slider also sending the data of real time. If you have a pwm value here, like of to you are going to reduce and increase the value of pwm output from your microcontroller, that you can able to do it with these things. So this is my currently doing. One second, I'm going to, I will close my door and come. Yep, I'm back, and so this is what I'm developing, and this is all the core functionality for now. But this is in future plan. First, I need to make a core base of this project. A future plan is going to be added a joystick if you are integrating any robotic stuff in the joystick. So how they are going to manage and how they are going to speak. So these all things which coming near, but now I need to set up a base, right? So that's what I'm trying to do here. So now if you go here and come, you can't able to see the data because the data is not persistent. I'm developing step by step. First, I made the connection between devices and the web. Then, in this today live, I'm going to fix some bugs and make it worse. Yeah, make latency, but I feel that's not big much of latency because if you set to one direction, like you can see this LED how fast it reacts. See, wait a second. This is the device. Yeah. So how fast it reacts. So the same time would take for the PWM to send this transfer. It's all according to the, yeah. If I accept that latency is there, but my main motive to reduce as much as I can in the software side, and I have a plan to create a firmware libraries which make it faster to send the data between device and the MQTT brokers. And if you want how it's communicating, I am have a diagram of it. More, easiest way to visualize things. Yeah, here it is. Yes, this is what is happening. In center it has a broker. This broker is responsible for everything that sending the message and stuff. It's MQTT broker we call. If you heard of it, so good thing because I'm using RabbitMQ. I use because of that thing which had a good feature. You can able to integrate WebMQTT and AMQP and MQTT all protocol in a one broker. And if one protocol sends one message, it the broker will have the capability to send messages to other two protocols which connected things. Yeah, we I have a Discord server. You can connect to me and join in our Discord server, and also you can personally message me in Discord. I mostly use Discord for messaging and talking to people, because LinkedIn becoming a scroller and lot of unwanted contents are there. Again, I block the. I use LinkedIn and I post things, but I'm not much active because I notification is off in my LinkedIn profile. So it would be nice if you connect through me in uh, Discord and a message. If not connect in LinkedIn, anything is fine. But LinkedIn, you know, I specifically spend a lot of time and I addicted to that scrolling. I don't have Instagram, so I start focus on posting things in LinkedIn, and over the time I have increased the habit of developing in scrolling, because there's also unwanted contents are there other than the things that we connect to people. So I nowadays I people who are asking if they had a Discord, I let them and suggest them to talk through me in Discord, because that's the only focus place which I'm doing. So this is our Discord server if you like, and you can join control plus build with Jeromel. And this I basically created for the, yeah, Rubil, hi. I basically created this server for every engineers. Someone is joined. Is that you? Nice, nice, nice. Good. See, embedded engineer. Yeah. So that's why I created basically for the peoples of engineering minds. My focus is on everything that things. So you can show, build, and your what are the projects you excitingly do and post. And I will do update posts in this thing. Yeah, server is growing little by little, uh, by people's joining. Nice. This is how, yeah, you can contact me through that, and I'm so happy that you are welcoming. And another one person is in between, bro. Amazing, thank you. So, yeah, and I will soon make it this for a contributors also, because I need core base to let contributors understand what I'm trying to build. So that I'm waiting and I'm trying to focusly build on. And also we have a uh, testers in this same group. That is this guy Indril. Yeah, this guy, and I'm so happy he's also open to test this application and suggest me what are the bad things is inside. Bad things means what are the vulnerabilities are there. So I'm open for that too, so that I'm forcing myself to complete it faster. Oh, you are okay. Shadish Kumar is your senior. Nice, 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 nice. Just I'm logging in my YouTube and things were, yeah, everything were going great. Nice. Okay, okay. If you guys any question, put me on a chat. I'll definitely respond. And now I start carry on my journey, developing and I'm fixing bug because I'm getting 2 times subscription here. instead of one, if I send one message particularly, I'm receiving two. So that's why I'm facing. I initially it went correct. Somewhere it's subscribing to the topic for a two time. Like you can see this thing is happening here. So I'm checking. Okay, one thing is brightness. Nice. Here I am publishing the brightness. Oh no, here we have working on. So here I am getting the data. So subscribing, I'm subscribing only one time, but something is happening weirdly, which is subscribing two time. Set it on. Okay, I need to figure out how things going. So something the problem happens when I resubscribe my topic callback. No, I can't able to see people's full name. So here also, if that name is long, I can't be visibly. Nice to meet you, Sadish Kumar. Debugging stuff is hard. Okay, nice. Need to figure it out, this thing, and I'm trying to figure it out. So only late for live for around 10 minutes. I stuck up and I forgot I had lost my time. Hmm. Probably AI could do this thing, but I tried AI. It can't able to figure out why. I went over around 10 to 15 iterations of asking why I get this error. It can't able to figure it out. Whenever the code bases are getting bigger, you can feel that AI can't able to stand near it. Have you tried Google Studio? You can share it your live screen and ask any question. No, also I am trying to not blindly and fully trust AI because, and also I am practicing, you know, enough. You can take it like interview practicing because it's really needed to the right. If AI can do all things, and when I am sit with interviewer, I can't able to answer things. How can they hire me? So nowadays I feel I'm facing that same situation. So that it's really important to. Okay. Basically, I am connecting to time. Oh, see, connection is happening to time. I think. Let it go. Thank you. TT service. See, it will connecting. Yeah, it's connecting two time after it disconnecting. The problem is in this file. I'm facing in real time the same problem, and I sit with the mark interview. I couldn't remember myself how things work, but I'm internally know things. I know if I saw things, I can understand this is going on and this stuff. But when we need to do it by our own self, we always used to things that A will do, but no, the highest expected engineers needs to know things by them himself. Hello. Oh, okay. I have a time which I use that simulation whenever I can't able to afford, ESP32 board, and I use that to learn myself. I learn in the first workshop which conducted. Mostly in colleges they don't have ESP32, so they go actually use that simulator only. So by college I get to know of the okay, a nice tool, right? It simulates exactly how things, but it is costly. Getting costly. Why is that? Because oh, nice. Why that IoT is costly means it asking money for connecting to the libraries and it's free edition only. Other than that, it's a good simulator. We can use it to learn lot things, lot of stuff. We can do a lot of cool things there. Yeah, that's what one of the disappointing which I face during that usage of. I came some far in communicating with device. Again, I'm getting a two thing, but I can't. Yep, I'm getting a two message at the same time. Now I'm getting four. Why is that? Yeah, but I'm receiving 2 time. But here it got fixed by only 1 time. Why I am getting 2 time again? I think this is the problem. Today didn't even started my time. But, oh, Okay, let us check again. Fixed or not. Nope, it didn't. Okay, it lies somewhere. Okay, let's check the log. Subscribing. Resubscribe. Unsubscribe from the. Everything get doubled. Let's see. Nope, it's all single. got fixed or what? Actually, I'm doing vibe coding. It's bad. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Still nope. Ah, it's happened 4 times. Ah, when it all become new to me, what is happening? Hmm. What happened to these things? Did they have something went wrong? Amazed how this all went from brightness to this component. I'm getting it how live data, but I'm paste it on here. It's my bad. Ah, I'll do mistakes and copy paste. Also, spare. Wow, nice. It's happening. Lead. Nice, 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 nice. Nice, nice, nice. Need to wait for the reconnection thing. Yep, I think it got fixed. Ready to go. Oh, exactly, it's been 1 hour of doing this live. I'm so excited. Got fixed. Oh, nice. And also, it didn't even reload again. So, did we clear this error too? Every button is sending on, and every value is sending. Oh, nice. We didn't even get that reload error. checking whether okay, it just went to offline. Now, again, it all resubscribed clearly at one time alone. Ah, no. Okay, I think the error will come again because I can now figure out things. Oh, nice. You can only receive one time, right? Or what? So, just need to check. Yep, I'm receiving it one time. Clear, clear, clear. So, the next thing's task is to precise this data. Go and come back. It didn't even hear because now I can see that it happened. Now we ask something for keyword. Okay. Did that. They did that too. That's what I need because we bloated our system by getting so many connections. Like only one connection now we have right here, I think. So I'm going to send the data. Oh, where's that man? Oh, I didn't even send the message now. Oh, nice, cool. I just had only one connection here, and this is our receiving. Yeah, this is what I need because what it actually happened was getting a lot of connections for each and every component. It's not a way that we actually do. Nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. Beautiful. So hereafter we need to create a middleware to design a thing. So that's it about today live, I think, and I'm going. So uh, what, what, what? So I got if you guys remember, I got things. transfer this to properties. In the controls, I'm going to give the symbols according to the properties this device had. So these are the few things which I have to do in the dashboard, and I'm deciding how we are going to present this page. It's all need to be here. We need to become. What happened? What? We are stuck on here. Device underscore unsubscribe. Type here. I'm getting a lot of error. Failed to subscribe device underscore 12 underscore status. Error with sub packets. Okay. Up. I'm facing this error. Again, I'm filling into the error. Okay. I will sit low so long by spending these things. So if I solve one thing, it will came up with other. So that's I think that's all because of side effect of using AI. They did not know what is going in there because of that. Yay. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Good night.